So I guess the next step and the next question I have is, what are some detailed, tangible strategies creatives can do to monetize their audience, increase their streams, build connections, and gain recognition?
For sure, it would be really building out that sales funnel that we talked about, or the fan journey,
Mhm.
where there's really four parts to that. So number one is getting traffic. We kind of already talked about that. Picking a
Right.
platform, picking one strategy. What's your strategy gonna be for getting traffic? So it's getting listeners, getting new exposure. Step two is then getting people on your email list, and so you need some kind of what's called a lead magnet, or you can call it a fan magnet, something of value that you give someone in exchange for their email address. And so this could be like an exclusive song or an exclusive album, or really anything that you think your fans would enjoy. If it's
Mhm.
maybe cold traffic, meaning people that don't know you, probably a free song or something would be great. You can, if you're running an ad, you can show a clip, short clip of the song and say, hey, click here to download the full song. If it's people that already know you, maybe it's like an acoustic version of a song, or maybe it's an exclusive Discord or some other kind of community. Really, the sky's the limit of what you can do. Just with your creativity of what you can come up with, something that your fans would like to get on your email list. Then once you have them on your email list, you want to have an automated email sequence where you are building up that relationship with your fans. You can share more about what's meaningful to you, more about your brand identity that we talked about. Give them more value. We want to surprise them with even more great content for being on your email list. Maybe it's another free song that they didn't know they were going to get. Just give them even more value that they weren't expecting. And then you can make an offer, whether that is to buy your full album, whether it's to buy some merch, or maybe join your Patreon or some other membership you have. And that's how you can start to generate some automated income. And then right after you make that offer, you can just continue adding on to that automated sequence, adding more value, and then making another offer, whether if you have multiple offers, right? So those are the
Mhm.
four things you need with your funnel: a way to get traffic, a way to get people on your email list, so a lead magnet, an automated email sequence, and then some kind of offer. And then from there, it's just really a numbers game, and right, increasing your conversion rate, increasing how many people see your lead magnet, and that's how you really can start to generate that passive income.
And the theme around that is kind of value, value, value. Provide value
Hmm.
before you ask for anything. Don't go for
Right.
your end goal to the cold prospect, because you could just ruin
Hmm.
your, relationship there. Give them value, build up your community, build up your trust with them, build up your credibility, and then kind of give them a 1-2 punch with that
Right.
offer that you want them to take action on.
Yeah, and then provide offers that your fans want, right? If it's
Mhm.
really cool merch that they want to wear and it's going to make them feel good, then they're going to want to buy that. And so always, always, always survey early and often your fans and find out what they want, and that's really going to be the best guide for you.
100%. And that's probably why, for those watching, you see the Musician Guidance Instagram account do quite a few surveys like that and fun polls. Because again, it's all about knowing your audience, and providing them value in a package that they, want to see and want to, take action on.
Hey, if you got value from this video and want to dive deeper into how you can actually turn your listeners or followers into diehard fans willing to buy just about anything you release, then be sure to grab my free fan journey formula in the description below. This will walk you through the 4 elements you need to actually get discovered and then turn those listeners and followers into diehard fans who are willing to buy your music, your merch, or even sign up for your fan club if you have one. And be sure to check out this video up here if you want to learn how to earn a full-time income from your music. As always, keep creating and have a wonderful day.